Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max Track 1 session. In today's class, we are going to discuss about mean, median, and mode. Okay? Mean, median, and mode. Actually, we have one more exercise before this mean, median, and mode, that is graph. Okay? After this exercise we are going to complete, that means that will become the last exercise and the last topic to finish the syllabus also. Okay, so get ready with your graph books also, children. Okay, in the next class you should be get ready with compulsory with your graph books. Okay, now see here how to find out mean. Okay, see here, suppose there are two vessels. How many vessels? Two vessels. Okay, in one vessel there are 60 liters of milk, and in another vessel there are 20 liters of milk. Means in one vessel quantity 60 liters, in another vessel 20 liters. But here the question is how you are going to share this total milk in these two vessels in equal manner, equally, that is equally. So first we have to add the total quantity of milk. That means total quantity of milk means what? 60 liters plus 20 liters, that is 80 liters. Now the 80 liters milk to be what? Adjusted in two vessels equally. So that's why we have to divide it by 2. So that is nothing but 40 liters. That means sum of the numbers by number of addends. The mean is sum of the numbers by number of addends. Okay, number of addends. This is when the data is given like that. Okay, when it is in tabular form, when it is given in tabular form, how we have to do, I am going to tell you. Okay, so see here, so mean equals to sum of the numbers by number of addends. That is the actual formula. Okay, if it is given in regular different data, that is tabular form, this is data that is tabular form. So in the tabular form is given, how you have to find also I am going to tell you. Now coming to median. Okay, so before median just go for mode, because it will be very easy mode. Here I give you one example here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 7, 7, like that. Okay, I am discussing about now mode. Okay, we are discussing now about mode, not median. Okay, median is completely different from these two. So now first immediately what is the given data you observe, then you just write in either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, any order you can write, either in ascending order or you can write in descending order. So no problem at all if you write in any order. Okay, so I am writing here in ascending order, that is first here 1, next here 2, next one more 2 here, next 3, one more 3 here, next 5, one more 5 here, next 7, one more 7 here, and one more 7 here, and one more 7 here, and 8. Okay, so first we have to arrange like this in either ascending order or in descending order. So we arrange here in ascending order. Okay, now what is the number in this data occurred more? That means which number came more frequently? More frequently which number came? If you observe clearly here, 7. 7 4 times it came. Comparing with all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7 and 8. Okay, which is the number you observed more frequently? 7. So the mode is 7. The mode is 7. Okay, is it clear, children? The mode is 7. So that's why this mode finding is very easy. Is it clear now? So mean equals to sum of the numbers by number of addends. Coming to mode means the more frequent number which repeated more. So that will become a mode. Okay children, in the given data, which number repeated thoroughly, that means more number of times comes. So that will become the mode. Now coming to median. Okay, so median is entirely different. Okay, we'll discuss now about median. See here children, I am giving you an example for mean, because the mean means it is entirely different. Why I am telling you means because the given data is in odd, means odd numbers in the sense not 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. How many number of addends like that, how many are there? If there are counting of odd number, the formula is different. The counting of even number is entirely different. See here, if I will explain one example, then you will understand very clearly. Actually, in the lower classes like up to 7th, how to find out median means, I will tell you, listen here. First here, they will give you 8, 7, 4, 1, 9, 10, 11 like that. Okay. So the given data is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, that is the given data. I am telling you now how to find out a mean. Okay. How to find out a mean in the lower class and at present in high school also. Okay. Now see here, 8, 7, 4, 1, 9, 10, 11 is given, right? Here also do one thing. First immediately you have to arrange the given data in ascending order or in descending order. So here I am arranging in ascending order. Okay, here I am arranging the median, the given data. This is the given data. I am finding the median. Okay, I am telling you how to find out the median. See here, 1, next 4, next 7, next 8. I am arranging in ascending order, small to big. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 are there. Okay, so in the lower classes means, okay, the middle number is called the median. The middle number is called the median. That means always they used to give in odd number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. That means here, see here, 1 from the starting, from the ending you round up another one. Just for easiest way, how to find out easiest way median. First you round up this one, first one and last one. Again second one, and here from this back also we just round up another number. One number here, one number. One number here, one number here. One more number and one more number. So what is left here? 8. So the answer median is 8. That means up to lower classes you have learned how to find out median like this. But you may get doubt. Sir, suppose in case just here 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Suppose one more number is there, 12. One more number is there. So here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means even. But how you are going to get the middle number now? Because here 1, here 12. I round up. 4, here 11. Here 7, here 10. Here 8, here 9. Where is the middle number? It's not there. But there will be middle numbers like 8 and 9. Okay? 8 and 9 both left. 8 and 9 both left. Okay? But that is absolutely wrong. That's why we have what? We have one more method how to find out when the two numbers left. Okay? So that's why now we have to follow completely what method I am going to tell you. That method you have to follow. Okay? That means only when it is going to be possible, this one, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. 7 is an odd or even? 7 is an odd. So when it is an odd number, compulsory you will know how to find out median very easily. But coming to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 is an even number. That time problem will arise. Okay. So that's why now we have two formulas when the given data number of addends are even and number of addends are odd. Okay. Now see here, I am going to write the formulas for both, for even and odd. Okay children. See now, here when n is odd, the formula is n plus 1 by 2 th. Okay, we have to observation, n plus 1 by 2 th observation. What is this observation and all that? What sir, what you are telling? You may feel like that. Listen first. When number of n is odd here, number of observation means n means what? Number of addends is given, no? So if it is an odd, then n plus 1 by 2 th observation will be the median. Is it clear? When n is odd, that means the given data number of addends are odd means n plus 1 by 2 th observation will become the median. Okay. Suppose when n is even, that means number of addends is even, then what is the median? How to find out the median? See here, the median is the average of n by 2 th plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation by 2. That means mean. N by 2 th plus n by 2 2 plus 1 th by 2. Don't get confused. I am telling you once again here. Here n is odd. Tell me some number. N is odd means what? Just tell me one odd number, 7. Okay. I'll write here one example. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I arranged in ascending order. I took the numbers, the data, the given data in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will take one more number also, 9. Or if I want, I can take 10 also. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are 9. Number of addends are 9. That means n. N means 9. N means here 9. That means number of addends are 9. 9 is what? Odd. 9 is what? Odd. Then how you have to find the median? So to find the median, n plus 1 by 2 th. N plus 1 by 2 th means n plus 1 by observation. N plus 1 by 2 earth observation. So median. N means how much now? 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2 observation. That means 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 by 2 observation. That is 2 ones, 2 5s. So fifth observation. What? Fifth observation. Fifth observation means 1. First observation. Second observation. Third observation. Fourth observation. Fifth observation. So the median is now 5. The median is 5. Suppose again the same question. Okay. Here I wrote as one more number, 13 or 15. Okay. One extra number I wrote here. Okay. One extra number I wrote there. Okay. See here. Now how to find out a median? how to find out median. Okay, here I arranged already in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13. That means count number of adhends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are there? 10. 10 means what? N equals to 10 here. 10 means even. 10 means even, right? Now, how you are going to find now median? Median equals to n means what? 10. So 10 by 2 th means observation plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1. N means 10. 10 by 2 plus 1 th by 2 by 2. When n is even. When n is even, that means number of adhends are even, means this is the way how to find out the median. 10 by 2 th plus 10 by 2 plus 1 th by 2. 10 by 2 means what? 2 ones, 2 5. Fifth observation plus 2 ones, 2 5s. So 5 plus 1, sixth observation by 2. Fifth observation plus sixth observation by 2. So, what is fifth observation now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation is 5 plus what is sixth observation? 6 here. So, 5 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. So, the median is 5.5. Okay. Now, I am going to do one example, okay, for median, okay, and mean also. So, then I am going to give you the full exercise homework, okay. Here I am giving you an example here. That means in exercise 14.4, okay, 14.2 is over. 3 we left with the graphs, okay. So, 14.4. See here, the first question I am going to explain here. Here the given data is 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Like this it is given. And he asked find the mean, median and mode. That means he asked to find the 3. What he asked to find? Mean, median and mode. The first question I am telling you. He asked us to find out mean, median and mode. Don't write in CW, just for explanation sake. Okay. In CW, what you have to write, I will tell you at the end of this video. Okay. So, find out how to, first we have to find out mean. Keep side heading like this. Okay. When you are doing the homework, how to do I am telling you. They asked 3, no? Mean, median and mode. So, keep side heading mean. Okay. Write first here. It is better for mean, no need to write in arranging ascending order or descending order. Okay. So, first write here sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers. Okay. That means what? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Okay. Add all these. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 5. See, once check it before that whether you wrote everything or not. 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 0 0 1 1 3 3 3 3 4 4 3 3. Because this is more important. Because you may think that I wrote everything, but just count numbers sometimes. So, at the starting only you have to check, otherwise the full entire sum is going to get wrong. Now, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. So, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Okay. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 and 3, 28. So, sum of the numbers you got 28. Next, number of addends. Number of addends means how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means number of addends are 10. Now how to find out mean when there is given in this data? Mean equals to, and you know children, in the next session I am going in this class only I am going to tell you how to find out mean. Okay, if possible and the time permits I will tell you, otherwise in the next class I am going to tell you in tabular form. Okay, so mean equals to sum of the numbers by number of addends, right? Sum of the numbers by number of addends. Sum of the numbers is 28 by 10. So it's nothing but 2.8, because here 10 is there, it is very easy to convert into decimal. So mean you got now 2.8. Okay. Now median. Side heading median you have to write. Okay. Now median means first you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Okay, I'll erase mean and I'll explain median. Okay, now median. Median. First what we have to do, keep side heading median and arrange in ascending or in descending order. So first write in ascending order. If you want you can write in descending order. So 0, 1, next 2, here no more 2's, next 2 over 3, 1 3 over. If you observe here 1 2 more 3 3's are there, 1 2 3. Next these are over, so 1 2 3 4 3's, 1 2 3 4, checking. Okay, next 2 4's, 4 4 5. Okay, once check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, finished. Next, so arranged in ascending order over. Next, here number of addends, that means n. So number of addends here how many? 10. Now 10 is what? Even. Okay, now 10 is what? Even. When it is even, what is the formula I have given for you? Is it very clear? It was given n by 2 th. Okay, it is even when the sum is given for you. How to find out median also I told you, no? See, median equals to when it is even, n by 2 th plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation by 2. Okay, n by 2 th plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation by 2. Okay, what is n now? 10. So 10 by 2 th plus n means 10 by 2 plus 1 th by 2. 2 ones, 2 5s. So fifth observation plus 2 ones, 2 5s. So 5 plus 1. Sixth observation by 2. Now in this, what is fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth observation is 3. In flow, what you will do, I will tell you. You will add 5 plus 6, 11 by 2. That's absolutely wrong answer. What I am telling you, in flow compulsory you will add 5 plus 6. That is wrong answer. That's why I wrote here TH means fifth observation and sixth observation. Okay. Is it clear now? So that's why you should be very careful for even number. Okay. So The fifth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth observation is 3. Sixth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth observation also 3. So 3 by 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Therefore median equals to 3. Now how to find out mode? Mode will be very easy for you now. Why? Because already it was arranged in ascending order. Yes. Now which number occur more frequently here? 3. 4 times. Okay. The answer is 3. Now you may get doubt here also. Sir, here 3 4 times. Suppose 4 also came 4 times. Then what is the answer? Then both the numbers will become the mode answers. That time you have to write 3 and 4. Is it understood? Is it clear? You may get doubt. Sir, here there are 4 3's. Suppose there are 4 4's. Then what is going to be the answer? Then the answer is which number occur more frequently? All the numbers will come under mode. So is it clear now, children? So mean, median and mode. Now what I am going to tell you means, all of you open page number 270, children. Page number 270. You open that page, okay, and open your classwork book, okay, and write fourth point here. In this fourth point, summary fourth point, okay. You may get out first point, that is what is that symbol and everything like this. The symbol is like this. The symbol is nothing but sigma. The symbol is nothing but sigma. What is the meaning of sigma? Means sum, total. What are the numbers are there, that all total numbers will call it as the sigma. Okay. I'll tell you in tomorrow's class about sigma and everything. Why? Because mean have another way to find out. Other than this type of data, if they are given in tabular form, how you have to find, that I am going to explain in tomorrow's class. Okay. I think because today the time became more and data will become for you, will be taken more. So that's why we will discuss tomorrow. But in classwork book, okay, in classwork book, take first classwork book and from fourth point, just keep it as a first point, fourth point, okay, take fourth point and write the 3 points here. First one, second one, third one. That means mean, median and mode. Then take a homework book, okay, then take a homework book and do the exercise 14.4. The homework is page number 270, exercise 14.4, first sum, second, third, fourth. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 sums. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sums, you take it as a homework. Okay, children, have a nice day.